Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review with you all the items that we know of as of today for the Boxycharm base box. Now if you're new to Boxycharm and want more information or just want to know how to subscribe, then check out the link that I have for you in my description below. Now make sure you stay till the end of the video so you can see the clip of Joe reviewing these first items. Now in this category, it's a variation. You can receive one or more of the items that I'm about to show you. Now this first spoiler, we knew we were going to receive it, we just didn't know when. And this is the Hank and Henry Beauty exclusive sponge duo. And then from Iconic London, you have the Liquid Illuminator. And then next from Dose of Color, you have the Lip It Up Lippy. Now the shades do vary. And last but not least, from Lavish, you have a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set. Now here are the other confirmed spoilers if you haven't seen them already. Now the first category is a variation. You'll be receiving one of the next 3 variations. Now the first variation is an eyeshadow palette. If you do receive an eyeshadow palette, there's 10 possible eyeshadow palettes you can receive. Let's take a quick look at them. Now if the eyeshadow palette is not for you, there's 2 items from Elemis, starting off with the Superfoods Calm Hydration Juice. Or you have the Superfoods Calm Cleansing Foam. Now these are the 3 items for your first category. And from the Porefessional, you will receive one of the 2 face primers that you see here. Now here's spoiler number 3. These are the Baddington lashes. This is a different category than the previous one I showed you. This one comes with glue because everyone was asking for glue, so Joe of course provided it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I will continue to keep you updated, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler or a video that I have for you. As always guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video. Have a blessed day.
Pick number 3 for Boxycharm base. Okay, so we have Iconic London. Those are drops. I'm gonna open it later. This is a highlighter. Show you over here. You guys will receive at least one of those items, so you might receive 2 in some cases, but at least one. So one is the Iconic, okay, drops. The other one will be Hank and Henry sponge dual set, exclusive for Boxycharm. Only charmers will get it. And you have over here Dose of Colors. It's a bullet lipstick. We have multiple shades. I just picked a random shade over here, but you twist it over here in the bottom, and that's how it goes out. Okay. So, and last but not least, our 5-piece brush set, eyeshadow brush set by Lavish. And I will remind you the other items that might come here and that you're gonna receive are, we did already sneak peek. Number 1 is one of 2 types of primers from Benefit. You will have 1 or 2 types of Elemis products. One is, this is the moisturizer from Elemis. And we also have different types of eyeshadow palettes by Zoeva. Open this one up. We might have more, I don't remember, but I do remember that we also sneak peek the lashes. It comes with the glue this time. Baddington lashes. So yeah, pretty exciting box for next month. But guys, I would love to urge you to keep your social distance. Keep it safe. Hopefully it's all gonna be over soon. Hopefully we're gonna get back to our normal life. I wish you nothing but happiness, success for all of us, and health